तो एज यू नो हमने गुडविल स्टार्ट करी थी और हमने गुडविल के 3 मेथड्स देखे थे, दैट इज़ एवरेज प्रॉफिट, सुपर प्रॉफिट एंड कैपिटलाइजेशन मेथड। सो हमने एवरेज प्रॉफिट कर लिया था, सुपर प्रॉफिट कर लिया था, आज हम करेंगे कैपिटलाइजेशन मेथड। सो कैपिटलाइजेशन मेथड के 2 पार्ट्स हैं, कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट एंड कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ सुपर प्रॉफिट। तो सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करेंगे कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट। ठीक है, कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट एक बहुत ज़्यादा एक सिंपल मेथड है और इस मेथड का क्या फॉर्मूला है, इस मेथड से गुडविल निकालने का फॉर्मूला है कैपिटलाइज्ड वैल्यू ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट लेस कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड। ठीक है, इस मेथड्स का क्या फॉर्मूला है, कैपिटलाइज्ड वैल्यू ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट लेस कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड। अगर आपने एवरेज प्रॉफिट और सुपर प्रॉफिट वाली वीडियो देखी है तो आपको पता होगा कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड हम कैसे निकालेंगे। ठीक है, तो कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड आई होप आपको आता होगा बिकॉज हमने लास्ट वीडियोस में वो कवर करा। और कैपिटलाइज्ड वैल्यू ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट कैसे निकलेगा, एवरेज प्रॉफिट इंटू 100 अपॉन NRR. NRR is always given, 100 is a fixed term and average profit is we have already discussed how to calculate. So capitalization of average profit में अगर आपको निकालना है तो आप कैपिटलाइज वैल्यू ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट निकालोगे। एवरेज प्रॉफिट आपको आता है 100 अपॉन NRR, NRR is given माइनस कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन विद 2 फॉर्मूलाज। इसको आप एसेट साइड अप्रोच से या लायबिलिटी साइड अप्रोच से दोनों से निकाल सकते हो। सेकेंड इज कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ सुपर प्रॉफिट। In capitalization of super profit, it is very easy to calculate goodwill. You have to just write super profit 100 upon NRR. Super profit you have to calculate like we have calculated super profit method and NRR is given. So capitalization method is the easy method. You just have to figure out average profit and super profit and then you have to capitalize the value by multiplying by 100 and dividing by NRR. So now let's see their illustrations. Now this is our illustration number 19 in which average profit is 72,000 and NRR is 10%. Assets are 9,70,000 and outside liabilities are 4 lakh. So first of all we have to calculate capital employed and the formula is of capital employed is total assets less outside liabilities. ठीक है, assets are 9,70,000 minus 4 lakh outside liabilities, so it will be 5,70,000. Okay, and now capitalized value of average profit. Average profit, it is average profit into 100 upon NRR, that is 10%, so it will be 7,20,000. So value of goodwill is capitalized value of average profit less capital employed. So capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. Capitalized value is 7,20,000 and capital employed is 5,70,000. So when we do minus, we got 1,50,000 as our goodwill. Okay. Now this is our illustration number 20 in which reserves are 15,000 and profit is 75,000 and assets and liabilities are 3 lakh. So assets and liabilities are given, so we can find capital employed. Capital employed is 7 lakh, assets minus outside liabilities. Okay, and we have to calculate goodwill is given. So just put the formula. Goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit less capital employed. Capital employed is 7,50,000 is equal to capital value of average profit. 7 लाख इधर जाएगा प्लस में, सो 7,50,000 होगी हमारी कैपिटलाइज्ड वैल्यू ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट. ओके, नाउ what is capitalized value of average profit? Capitalized value of average profit is profit into 100 upon NRR. Now profit is 75,000 but reserves are also 15,000. So we have to combine the both as 90,000 because reserves are also a part of profit. Okay, so profit 90,000 into 100 upon NRR. Now where NR is either 90,000 into 100 upon में 7,50,000 is equal to NRR. 15 5s are 15 6 are, so it will be 12. So NRR will be 12%. So NRR will be 12%. So NRR will be 12%. Okay. So this is illustration number 21. In this, the capital and current account of both the partners are given. The average profit is 1,20,000 and we have to calculate the value of goodwill by capitalization of average profit. So the method is capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. So for capitalizing the value of average profit, we have 1,20,000 as average profit and NRR. So average profit into 100 by NRR, we get 12 lakh. Okay. After this we have capital balances. Okay, add these minus 20,000, add reserves less 20,000 because profit and loss debit, it is a loss, and then you will get your capital employed. And when you subtract the capitalized value of average profit from capital employed, you will get your goodwill. Now this illustration number 22, it is related to super profit method. For it, first you have to calculate the average profit. For average profit you have to do these two adjustments and then add the profit and divide by 4. So you get the average profit. Okay, now you have the balances. This add them, add general reserve minus advertisement suspense account, you will get your capital employed. Now capital employed into NRR, you will get normal profit. Now you will get average profit from here, normal profit from here, so you will get super profit. And now you have to capitalize the value of super profit by the formula that says super profit into 100 upon NRR, and you will get the value of your goodwill. Okay. Now this is illustration number 23. In this illustration, you have to calculate the value of goodwill by the super profit method. For super profit, you have given the NRR and NRR is 15% and average profit is. Now average profit is given. You have to calculate the normal profit. For normal profit, you can just simply add the total assets minus advertisement suspense, and non-trade investments are also given. Goodwill is not given, it is nil. So total assets minus non-trade investments minus advertisement expense. Okay, and then you will minus the outside liabilities, that said outstanding rent, creditors and bank overdraft. So after this you will get your capital employed. Now you have your normal rate of return, so you will get normal profit, and then you will get super profit, and then you have to capitalize the super profit to get the value of goodwill. Okay, this is a very simple question, you just have to do it with attention. So now look at the illustration number 24, and after this illustration the goodwill topic ends. In this illustration you have to calculate the value of goodwill by capitalization of average profit, by capitalization of super profit, and by 3-year purchase of super profit. So first we get assets and liabilities, so we calculate capital employed. Capital employed is assets minus liabilities, which is 8,20,000. Okay, first thing we get this average profit and NRR, so capitalized value of average profit. Capitalized value of average profit is 1 lakh into NRR into 100 upon NRR, so capitalized value is 10 lakh. Okay, so goodwill value by capitalization of average profit is capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed, 10 lakh minus 8,20,000, which is 1,80,000. Okay, now capitalization of super profit. Now by capitalization of super profit, first we have to calculate the super profit. So how we calculate super profit? Average profit minus normal profit is super profit. Average profit is given 1 lakh minus normal profit is capital employed into NRR. Capital employed is 8,20,000 into NRR. NRR is 10%. So 1 lakh minus 8,20,000 का 10% 82,000. So super profit is 18,000. Super profit is 18,000 and capitalization of super profit is 18,000 into 100 upon NRR, which is 10%. So 1,80,000. For third, we have to calculate 3-year purchase of super profit. Again, super profit is 18,000 and goodwill will be 3 into 18,000 is 54,000. So goodwill is 54,000. Now, if you look at the values, the first answer is 1,80,000. Second is also 1,80,000, which shows the amount of goodwill by the capitalization of average profit and with the capitalization of super profit is same. So capitalization of average profit, capitalization of सुपर प्रॉफिट, इन दोनों मेथड से जो गुडविल आएगी उसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? सेम होगी. बाकी मेथड से गुडविल अलग आएगी. ठीक है. सो हेयर द कैपिटलाइजेशन मेथड एंड्स एंड ऑल्सो द गुडविल टॉपिक. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक जो हम इस चैप्टर में करेंगे वो उसमें गुडविल आएगी, लेकिन गुडविल कैसे एस्टिमेट करनी है वो यहीं तक था. ठीक है. सो बाय बाय गाइस एंड वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट पार्ट.